Good morning, friends. In the previous class, we have learned how to subtract. Okay, till fourth standard we learn how to subtract. Now here in the fifth standard, what is the new? The new is subtraction by the another method. Means the second method we will going to be learn how we can subtract by second method. For example, here example is given. We'll write that example. Example is 524 minus 376. In the previous class we have subtracted this number in the with the help of old method. Okay, so new method is we'll see what is the new method. First of all, example is 724 minus 376. Now, first of all, we'll see what is there in that new. Now, upside if you will see, it is 4 and downside it is 6. In the previous old method, what we are doing, we are taking help to the neighborhood number. But in the new method, what you will do, you will not ask any help. You will only assume. Okay. So here in the new method, you will going to be assume the number. In the old method, we are taking here 1 and this will become 14. In the new method, we will going to be assume it as a 14. Okay, we will not ask any help, we will only going to be assume it. Now, what will happen? 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, you will get 8. Now, we have assumed that it is 4 will become 14. Whenever we are assuming, what we have to do? We have to give 1 to the downside number of the next column. Clear? If you are assuming here, you have to add 1 with the downside number. This 7 plus 1. Clear? Now, upside if you will see, this is 2. 2 is less than 7. Clear? If it is less than 7, what we will do? We will assume that this is not 2. This will become 12. Now 2 will become 12. The 12 minus 7 and this downside one number we have to add. If you are assuming here, you have to add the one number here. So this will become 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 means 8. 12 minus 8, you will get 4. Clear? Now here we have assumed the 2 is 12. So what we have to do? We have to add this number downside one. Okay? We are taking here, we are assuming here 1 now. So we have to add the downside. This will become 3 plus 1 will become 4. 7 minus 4 will become 3. So answer will become 348. In the previous method, we have solved these only number. With the old method, the answer will become same. Okay. So now we will going to be take another number for doing the subtraction. Okay. So here, okay, I am giving a number. Example. 222 minus 132. Okay, so this is 222 subtracted 132. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to see if upside number is bigger or smaller. 2 minus 2 we can do easily, so no need of assuming here. So 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Now 2 minus 3 can we do? No, because 2 is smaller number as compared to 3. So what we will do, by the new method we have to assume this will become 12. Now this we have assumed 2 as 12, so this will become 12 minus 3 will become 9. Okay, so here we have assumed. So in the next downside number what we have to do, we have to add this 1 here. Okay, so this will become 2, so 2 minus 2 0, so answer will become 90. Clear? So now first of all now we have learned how we can subtract with the help of new number. Now we will solve more question according to the new method. So here the question first is, as we can first of all we will write the question: 857,513 minus 482,256. So 7513, first of all we will write here number, clear? So here we have written, so minus, so here first of all we will see the numbers. Here we can, if you see the upside is 3, downside is 6, we can't subtract 6 from 3. So what we will do, we will assume 3 as 13. Clear? So here we have assumed, so what we have to do, here we have to going to be add, whenever you are assuming, add downside, next column downside 1. Okay, so 13 minus 6 you will get here 7. Clear? Now first of all this will become 5 plus 1, this will become 6. So upside number is 1. Can we subtract 1 minus 6? No, we can't. So what we have to do, we have to assume this 1 is 11. Clear? So 11 minus 6 will become 5. Got it? Now we have assumed here, so what we have to do, we have to going to be add here 1. 5 minus 2 plus 1 what? 2 plus 1 3. So 5 minus 3 you will get 2. Listen, here we didn't assume anything, because 5 we can subtract 5 and 3. We can subtract 5 and 5 minus 3. We can subtract. So no need of assuming. So if we are not assuming here, you have to not add here 1. So 7 minus 2 you will get 5. Here we didn't assume, so we will not going to be add here 1. So now 5 and 8 we can't subtract here, because 5 is smaller as compared to 8. What we'll do, we will assume this will become 15. So 15 minus 8 you will get 7. Clear? Here we have assumed, so what we'll do, we'll going to be add this 1 downside number. So 8 minus 5, this will become 5. 8 minus 5 you will get 3. So answer 375257. Clear? So like that only you have to solve this practice set 11. Okay.